Welcome to our intriguing voyage into the universe of DIY brilliance. We're going to showcase 10 homemade projects that not only catch the eye, but also captivate the mind with their innovative design and creative execution. From a whimsical character turned steampunk masterpiece to a powerful water turbine that brings sustainable energy to your fingertips. These projects are true testaments to human ingenuity and the spirit of DIY. Sit back, relax, and prepare to be inspired. Number 10. Steampunk Patrick. Venture into a world where vintage meets futuristic. Introducing Steampunk Patrick. This magnificent handmade project masterfully combines the charm of 19th century industrial steam-powered machinery aesthetics with the beloved character, Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants. From cogs and gears to rivets and brass, every detail exudes a delightful blend of old-world industrial charm and modern craftsmanship. Handcrafted with the utmost precision, Steampunk Patrick is not just a character figurine. It's a journey back in time, a celebration of steampunk subculture, and an avant-garde piece of art. Truly a sight to behold. This whimsical work of art is a testament to the endless possibilities when imagination runs wild. Whether you're a fan of SpongeBob, a steampunk enthusiast, or an art lover in general, Steampunk Patrick will surely make a unique and captivating addition to your collection. Number 9. GJ Power Sports 4x4 Homemade Buggy. Introducing the GJ Power Sports 4x4 Homemade Buggy, a testament to engineering ingenuity and a love of off-road adventures. This self-assembled marvel takes DIY to a whole new level, showcasing the thrilling blend of mechanical prowess and the unyielding spirit of automotive enthusiasm. Built from the ground up, it features robust four-wheel drive capabilities and a powerful engine, offering an exhilarating driving experience that few manufactured buggies can match. For those seeking a uniquely personal and thrilling off-road experience, the GJ Power Sports 4x4 Buggy is a true triumph of homegrown innovation. Number 8. DIY Prosthetic Hand. Step into the future with the DIY Prosthetic Hand. This impressive homemade project redefines the possibilities of personal technology, blurring the lines between man and machine. It's more than just a device. It's a symbol of resilience and the human spirit's indefatigable ability to overcome adversity. Assembled with meticulous precision, it demonstrates how affordable materials and a dedication to innovation can create functional, life-changing technology. The DIY Prosthetic Hand is a marvel of bioengineering, designed to empower and enhance the lives of its users. Number 7. Wrist-Mounted Crossbow Toy. Enter the realm of adventure with the Wrist-Mounted Crossbow Toy, a playful fusion of fantasy and reality. This homemade project brings childhood dreams to life, recreating the thrill of being a superhero or a secret agent. Crafted with an eye for detail and a sense of fun, it's a safe and exciting toy, a testament to creativity unbounded by the constraints of commercial production. More than a toy, the wrist-mounted crossbow is a symbol of imaginative play and inventive design, sparking joy and adventure in every child's heart. Number 6. Iris Window. A fascinating interplay of light and design, the Iris Window is a homemade project that breathes life into any space. Its brilliant use of materials and meticulous attention to detail are a testament to the boundless creativity of its maker. The window's unique iris mechanism allows light to dance in ever-changing patterns, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of shadow and illumination. As functional as it is beautiful, the Iris Window is more than just a portal to the outside world. It's a mesmerizing piece of art that captivates the imagination, proving that extraordinary beauty can be created in the most ordinary of spaces. Number 5. Car Bar. Welcome to the innovative and captivating realm of the car bar. This brilliant homemade project seamlessly fuses the nostalgia of classic automobiles with modern, everyday convenience. Birthed from the vision of automotive enthusiasts, the car bar cleverly reincarnates a vintage car's front or rear end into a spectacularly functional bar. Its retro aesthetics create an evocative atmosphere, taking you back in time while providing the perfect setting for a memorable gathering. With its bold design, the car bar is much more than just a novelty piece. It stands as a unique testament to the beauty of repurposed materials, embodying the inventive spirit of DIY craftsmanship, and proving that a creative eye can transform old and forgotten into something exciting, novel, and truly exceptional. Number 4. LED Display Hat. Light up your personal style with the LED display hat. This creative homemade project melds wearable technology with the world of fashion to create a standout accessory that turns heads. The hat, fitted with a customizable LED display, invites you to express yourself in the most vibrant ways, from catchy phrases and hashtags to intricate patterns and animations. This innovative blend of tech and fashion is a game changer for the creative individual seeking to showcase their unique style and personality. With its lively light show and potential for personalization, the LED display hat not only adds sparkle to any outfit, but it also sparks intriguing conversations and adds an exciting twist to the fashion-forward individual's wardrobe. Number 3. Electric Mini Rat Rod. Dare to take a ride on the wild side with the Electric Mini Rat Rod. This exceptional homemade project masterfully rejuvenates the traditional hot rod design with a fresh, eco-friendly perspective. The Mini Rat Rod, a product of fine engineering and passion for speed, fuses the beloved vintage aesthetics of yesteryears with the advanced electric propulsion of today. It's a visual treat and an adrenaline-inducing machine, all rolled into one. An inspiring symbol of sustainable transportation, the electric Mini Rat Rod demonstrates how our beloved classics can adapt to the modern era without losing their inherent charm. Whether you're an auto enthusiast, an environmental advocate, or an avid DIYer, this mini beast's roaring power and sustainable core will indeed steal your heart. Number 2. Portable Water Turbine. Step into a future powered by green energy with the Portable Water Turbine. This exceptional homemade project is a tangible demonstration of how we can harness the natural power of flowing water to generate electricity. Compact and highly functional, the turbine is designed for portability, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures or a reliable alternative during power outages. More than a simple device, the portable water turbine stands as an emblem of sustainable innovation. It's a hands-on approach to understanding and utilizing renewable energy sources, challenging us to think beyond traditional power supplies and offering a glimpse into a future where clean, green energy is within everyone's reach. Number 1. DIY Jet Surf. Take to the waves like never before with the DIY Jet Surf. This exhilarating homemade project propels the sport of surfing to exhilarating new heights, thanks to the addition of jet propulsion. Born from a blend of deep understanding of hydrodynamics, mechanical ingenuity, and a love for water sports, the Jet Surf provides an unmatched aquatic experience, allowing you to dominate the waves with relative ease. The DIY Jet Surf is more than a water sports device, it's a revolution on water. It stands as a remarkable testament to the thrill of invention and the ability to push boundaries in pursuit of the ultimate aquatic adventure. For all those who yearn for the rush of the waves and the thrill of speed, the DIY Jet Surf is your ticket to a wholly unique and electrifying experience. And there we have it, 10 exceptional homemade projects that truly deserve your attention. We hope these inspiring creations have sparked your curiosity and maybe even ignited a new DIY project idea in your mind. Remember, innovation starts at home, and every project is a journey of discovery and creation. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and always let your imagination run wild.